In this video, I'll show you how to update Nintendo Switch to the latest firmware. If you find this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Updating your Nintendo Switch to the latest firmware ensures improved system performance, bug fixes, and access to new features. It also enhances security and compatibility with the latest games and apps. To begin, start by opening the home page of your Nintendo Switch. From there, navigate to the System Settings, which can be found in the menu panel. Once inside the System Settings, look at the left-hand side menu and scroll down slightly until you reach the option labeled System. Click on it to proceed. Within the System menu, you will see an option titled System Update. Click on this to check for any available updates for your system. The Nintendo Switch will automatically begin preparing to update your system if one is available. If your system is already up to date, it will display a confirmation message letting you know that your system is current and no further updates are needed. Next, you will need to click on the Update Dock option to check the status of the firmware. If your firmware is up to date, the system will indicate that it is already updated. However, if your firmware requires an update, the system will begin the process of downloading and installing the update automatically. It's important to note that if your firmware is already updated, the system will simply show a message confirming that no new updates are necessary. If the firmware update is pending, the Switch will automatically proceed with the update process. After the update is completed, your system will be ready to use with the latest firmware. That's all you need to do. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching,